now we're going to go over app shortcuts for Android, how to use them and what they are. So if you tap and hold on any app icon here on your home screen, or if it's in the app drawer, like if I tap and hold on Keep, you see I get a list of shortcuts here, like create a new list or take a new note or new audio note or something like that. So if I want to quickly take a new list or a new note or whatever, I'll just long press on the Keep app and then tap on the app shortcut that I want, and then as you can see here, I can start making a list. Now, depending on the app, you're gonna have different options here. So for like the Play Store, you can easily get to My Apps. For Gmail, you can compose emails. For the clock, there's a bunch of different things. If you do the phone, you'll get contacts, and you really just have to go and tap and hold on your certain apps to see what options it'll give you. But let's say there's an app shortcut that you do use all the time. So let's say we're usually making new lists and things like that. If you don't want to have to tap and hold on the app and then click on new list, what you can actually do here is if you tap and hold on one of these app shortcuts, you can actually place it on your screen as an icon. So now I can just tap the new list and immediately start making a new list. So if you start using these app shortcuts and you realize there's a few that you use a lot, you can again go ahead and from here you can just add them to your home screen. You can also do this from the app drawer. So if you're in here and say we long press on like the clock, you can see I get those app shortcuts. And again, I can just tap on one of them to start that action, or I can tap and hold and add that somewhere to the home screen. So app shortcuts are really handy and pretty easy to use. Again, depending on the app, the developers have to make these shortcuts for it. So just go ahead and long press on the app and see if you have any of those options. And then again, you can add them to the home screen if you want. So that's app shortcuts and how to use them and how to add them to the home screen. Hopefully that helps.